2021 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 48. An unlined canal under regime conditions along with a silt factor of 1 has a width of flow 71.25 meters. Assuming the unlined canal as a wide channel, the corresponding average depth of flow in the canal will be, and the answer needs to be approximated to 2 decimal places. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. Coming to the useful data, for design of unlined canals, Lacy's method is used, which is a set of the following 4 equations. Depending on the data that is available, we use these equations to obtain the remaining variables. Here, D50 is the average particle size using which the silt factor is found. Once we know the silt factor and the discharge, we can calculate the velocity of flow. Also from the discharge we can find the wetted perimeter, which is the portion of the canal that is in contact with water. Using the V velocity and F, that is silt factor, we can also find the hydraulic mean depth for the canal. So in this case we have been given with silt factor as 1 and the width of the canal as 71.25 meters, and another information that is given is it is a wide canal. So from these 3 information we need to check what is the equation that we can use. So since it is a wide canal, we can find the perimeter, that will be B plus 2 times the depth of flow, and for a wide canal B is much greater than Y, so we can neglect this Y for calculation of the wetted perimeter, and this would essentially become P equals B. So wetted perimeter in this case will be 71.25 meters. Since we have the wetted perimeter, we can find the discharge using this third equation. So discharge is nothing but P over 4.75 raised to the power 2. This would be 71.25 divided by 4.75 power 2, which is 15 square. This would give the discharge as 225 meter cube per second. Now we have Q and we also have F, so we can use the second equation to find V. So the first step was the determination of wetted perimeter. The second step was the determination of discharge. Now we will go through the third step, that is determination of the velocity of flow. So Q is 225 into silt factor is 1 divided by 140 raised to the power 1 over 6. This would give the velocity as 1.08 meters per second. Since we have the velocity now, we can find the area of flow, which will be discharge over velocity. So discharge is 225 and velocity is 1.08. This would give 208.33 square meters. The last step will be, now we have the area and we have the speed, we have the discharge. So we know that area for a rectangular canal will be the width times depth. So the depth will be area over width, that is 208.33 over 71.25. This would be 2.924 meters, which can be approximated to 2.92 meters. since the question asks us to approximate it to 2 decimal places. So Lacey's method was used for the unlined canal whose width and silt factor were given, and the corresponding depth of flow was obtained as 2.92 meters. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed here.